What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Civic's engine bay. We're getting it ready for paint and then also finishing up the core support install. We're going to start off by cutting off these tabs and grinding them smooth, and then also addressing these filler plates and grinding down the welds. If there's one thing I don't like about fabricating, it's grinding, especially in a tank top, but that's my fault. So I went ahead and finished grinding down all the filler plates on the firewall, cut off those studs and grind them smooth. Did the inner fender areas on both sides, and even started working up on the upper strut tires to smooth those areas all out. So now I'm going to start doing a little body filler, then apply some primer. So while the Bondo dries, I'm actually going to work on the wire harness grommet for the firewall. So what I ended up picking up was this piece off eBay, which is normally for a K-series conversion. So when you have the shifter cables go through the firewall, and it usually mounts where the heater core hose access was. I'm actually going to use this for the wire harness. So I'm going to actually enlarge these holes to allow the harness to fit through. And I already have splits in it, so I just need to open up these holes and I'll be able to fit the harness through, run the harness through there, and then I'll be able to bolt this up to the firewall. And so it'll give it a nice clean look for the harness. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this area out and cut it out for this grommet to fit in nice and snug. Well, here it is all installed. I have to say, not bad for 13 bucks off eBay. It's going to work out perfectly for the harness. So now I'm going to go ahead and sand down this body filler and get some primer on it. Well, here she is. Got the engine bay primered in the areas needed. We're one step closer to paint. I still need to go through and sand some areas and lay some new coats of primer just to really smooth things out. But just to recap on the video, we installed the core support. It's ready to go. Removed the subframe because it is damaged in one location, so I got a replacement to install. But before then, I'm actually going to go through the suspension and really clean it up. Maybe replace a couple bushings, but I'll do that off camera. But I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I know body work isn't the most exciting thing to watch, but these were some major steps towards getting this car up and running. Next video, we'll paint the engine bay and possibly install the engine. And yeah, we're getting really close to actually getting this thing on the ground and running. But as always, I appreciate you guys checking out these videos, and I'll see you next time.